Awuyona yini?
Ubani obefikile? Umakhwela akakwazi ukuthi my man ngithule ngoba kusho ukuthi uyangi-owna. Kanti mina ngiyibhaqa lamani weshula noma umfazi uyayinweshulela. Indoda ayinamnikazi. Awungcono ubaba kaMethuli.
Why nokusabakhe?
Ukhona umuntu osho njalo nje la ekhaya.
Phela mina bakhe. Ubabakhe lana mina ngimazi ufunani. Hey babakhe. Babakhe.
No, it's fine. I'll stick to my man. Welcome to Texas. Baba could talk to you. So many talk to you. My man.
Hey. Yazi wena.
Ina.
Ufuna ukwakha noma awufuna ukwakha?
I feel like wonke umuntu une-rights negunya nelungelo lokuyikhetha ukuthi ukuphi okwehla kamnandi kuyena mekubiza ngakho.
I'm not saying it doesn't look good with grey hair, but
naye ke into engingayifuni. Yabona leyo nto ngiyifuni. Remember ngiyindoda yabafazi nibaningi. Angikwazi ukutshela umfazi oyedwa ukuthi fanele ngenzeni.
Unamanga. He's just saying it's because now I'm coming and shoot and pretending as this is something brand new. I do tell him things and he does listen.
No, akufanele ngitshele wena. Uyangitshela. Okwami lokho. Umakhwela akakayazi indawo yakhe ngokugcwele la ekhaya ukuthi ubani. Ngiyamlalela ekhuluma, ngiyambona nangendlela afuna ukwenza ngayo ukuthi kusazothatha isikhathi. Yimina ofanele amfundise ukuthi njengoba la
Samkela ukhona. Hambe uyozijolela wena nomunye umuntu owuntanga wakho uphume ekhehleni leli. Udlala lo mfana buza thina sibadala simtshela. Ngayala, why?
A few moments later.
That I have. It makes me wonder, Guti, got into this marriage. When you look at everything that's happening, I know you're saying you're fine. Is this what you thought it would be? Is it playing out the way you imagined it would be?
Umselo is starting to give vibes. So good today. I feel like agana gazi for him. Like he's starting to give Ama vibes way. I mean, what's wrong with some gay calling him my man? Or he's trying to pretend for Tina like a TV. Got them aside, baby water, baby too. We are chabule versus my man, but be good TV. I got phone. He's just being dramatic in GI. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel and please comment down below. Bye.